Can this student beat this land surveyor in setting up a GPS surveying kit and map a point? That would be amazing. Here we are with Roman, a promising land surveyor, maybe, right?
Yeah, maybe.
But at the moment you're a trainee at Eblos, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you like your traineeship?
Yeah.
Did you do any other traineeships before this one?
No.
No?
No.
Didn't you tell me about washing dishes?
Yeah, but it was last year, so...
Yeah, but still, it's a traineeship, right?
Yes.
So you prefer doing this at Eblos than doing the dishes?
Yeah.
So you saw the video of Ray, yeah, with his world record, and you said you could do better?
Yeah, but it went horribly wrong.
Let's see about that.
Sure.
Yeah, there he starts. The start is promising.
Yeah, but the end is not good.
You're very negative. Let's see how you're doing.
Look at this.
You're doing it upside down.
Yeah, but I didn't know.
Yeah, you didn't know. You want to poke the sky.
Yeah, but at the last moment I saw it. Look, I turned it. You see?
Oh, you turned it. Yes, it looks like a circus. Would you prefer in a circus?
Yeah, okay, maybe, could be.
Could be.
Could be. Now I'm turning this on.
Yeah, you're turning it on.
Yes.
Then you put it down.
Yep.
And here I think you do a very smart move because you turn on the tablet, right?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, that's very smart. Ray didn't do that.
He did at last.
Yeah, at last, but then you have to wait. And you didn't have that tactic of warming your GNS receiver.
Yeah.
Okay, there he goes, he turns it on. It goes very, very fluent.
Until now.
Until now. How often are you setting up a GPS surveying kit?
My first time.
It's your first time?
My first time.
So, you will rub it in Ray's face if you're faster, right?
Yeah, but if I don't, I'm gonna cry.
Cry?
Yeah.
I don't have tissues here, so please don't cry.
Okay.
Please don't cry. Let's see how it's going. He's waiting. What's happening here?
Yeah, it wouldn't connect. It took
wouldn't
too long.
connect?
It took too long. Yeah.
And then you're just watching in the camera.
I'm just waiting.
You're waiting.
It took like 30 seconds.
It took like 30 seconds, yeah. Maybe that are just the 30 seconds that made it work to get a record or not.
Maybe.
And still you're there, just standing.
Yeah, I'm trying to connect, seeing what's happening, but...
But you had some explanation before, right?
Yeah.
Who gave you the explanation?
You.
That must be an excellent explanation then.
Yes, of course. I'm still waiting. Oh, there you are.
And there I am, yeah, I'm just checking if something is wrong, but everything was okay.
I think now it's gonna connect, yeah.
And you made the point, yeah, finally.
Finally, it took very long time.
Took very long time?
Yes, took very long time.
Yeah. You think you did better or worse than Ray?
Worse.
Worse?
Yeah.
So you want me to get the tissues already?
No.
No, you will be fine?
Yes.
Yeah, even if I tell you your time and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, then there is the leaderboard. Now let me first write your name.
Sure.
Roman.
Yes.
Of the Empire, right?
Yeah, Empire.
Empire Roman.
Yes.
And you're the Emperor?
Yes.
So let's see, your time is 2 minutes and 28 seconds and 9 hundredths. That means you beat Raymond, and Raymond can go to cry. If you want to know more about GPS surveying, Eblos, or anything else about whatever, then watch this video.